Hey everyone, long time no see. So I did make two videos. 2 weeks ago I had recorded the video, about the debacle with the Zodiac collection. And I wound up getting my collection from eBay. And then I did upload a video last week with, unboxing. And then I did upload a video also towards the end of the week about the swatches. So even though I haven't done a tutorial, I have been at least doing a little something. I feel like there's a hair on my face. I can't get it out. Anyway, so... This is, I used that Idolize that only Kmart had for the base color. And I'm going to use I'm using my, these are expensive. I did not get that pink metal with the gray collection. I only got like two of the eye brushes because there's something, I think these are $8. No way. But anyway, so... using my Wet n Wild brushes today. So now, I've said this before, I don't believe in Zodiac, but since my sign is the water sign of Pisces, I decided to do the water sign first. And I am going to use these twice each. I'm gonna do one side and then do the other side. So I'm going to use that tealy turquoisey color. And I'm gonna put that on the lid. The pigmentation of these are amazing. The only weird thing about it is that they're just pure frosty colors.
He's her uncle. That's even worse. He's Simba's cousin. And the upgrade of scars is white. Wow. Where was she during the entire first?
Then I'm actually using this, not using this side, the blue, the silver, the white. I'm gonna use this side. So I'm going to dip into that brown color. Use that as the contour color. Bring it up a bit. Then I'm going to use that beige color right here. Where is it? Here it is. In between the turquoise and the brown, and that's going to be my highlight color. Very, very frosty, as you can see. So I noticed I bought 3. Just bring this up to blend that out and up. This one is the most unique of the sets. The ribbon in this is absolutely stunning. It's got like a periwinkle, like an aqua blue and a gold. This one is stunning, and they all, I didn't notice that they all have an inscription of the 12 zodiac signs, and they didn't show in the pictures. They're not even showing now, but I noticed it. It's really hard to notice the imprint, especially when you're sweeping across. But I'm going to use this one. It's blue. Alright, I'm just sweeping it across them all. It's a really stunning color. Just so you could see. Now, by the time I finish my makeup, that's probably going to come off. I'm going to probably have to do it again. But just going to try and blend that out. The thing I don't like about blues is that it gives you a bruised look, like if someone punched you in the face. But you can see that as I'm blending it out, you can see that gold coming through. Now again, this is probably gonna come off because I make a mess when I put on makeup, and it's probably just all gonna come off. But you know, I just wanted to give you an idea of what it's like. Alright, so I'm probably just gonna use black mascara liner, finish my makeup, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, I just washed my hair. I've just kind of been washing my hair every 3 days. I wake up soaking with sweat every day. It's so hot and humid here in Houston. Pearland is just south of Houston. So yeah. So I didn't want my nose to be blue. So I used the Wet n Wild Written in the Stars highlighter. And I like those little stars, they're cute. Let me close this right. And my favorite of all the lip glosses is the purple one, which is Scorpio. It's funny because the water sign is Scorpio, Cancer, and Pisces. And my daughter's sign is Cancer. And my oldest daughter, my son, and my husband would be Scorpio. So it's interesting that we're all within the same sign or whatever. So I really like the water collection. I love the purple, I love the pink and that whitish color. I'll probably wear Pisces next time, but this is my favorite. These lip glosses, I really wasn't interested in the lip glosses. If I did get lip glosses, I was just gonna get the water sign lip glosses, though I did like some of the other colors. That dark burgundy color, and I think there was like another purpley, like maybe a lighter purple, or in the purple family. But I probably would have just gotten the water ones, and I'm so glad. I feel very blessed and glad that I was able to find this collection on eBay. I missed out on the ones that were 100. They started going up to 105, 110, and then I didn't see anything on eBay for like 2 weeks, and then now somebody's selling this for 165. So yeah, so this is my favorite beautiful purple one, and probably next time I'll use the Pisces, which is like a white with, it's got like I think it's got a pinkish purple duochrome when I do this, the silver and blue side. I did use this white. It's a white with a blue duochrome. This is silver, but it's got a tiniest bit of maybe a pinkish cast to it, but I use that in my inner corners. So yeah, this blue is really intense, although in the light it looks almost gold, but it is a very intense highlighter, and there we go. So I was just trying to like blend it out. This is like a tealy, it looks more of a tealy gold color. So yeah. I know it looks like I'm bald, but it's just that the hair is a little bit thin here, and it's just white, the hair. But it does look like it's balding. I guess I'm just getting older.